I just had a sip of wine, just a little bit sip, and suddenly I felt off. I couldn't speak, and I couldn't think clearly. I approached my husband quietly without letting anybody else in the house know what was going on. I said to him, I think I had a stroke, but I'm not sure. And he said, okay, so then maybe we should go to the emergency room. We chose Broward Health Imperial Point. There, I explained to the doctor, I don't know what's going on, but I feel off. They started doing a series of tests, and then we went into a CT scan. So now I know whether it's serious. They tell us, you have a brain bleed.
This is a cavernoma, which is an unusual tangle of vessels, a benign type of tumor, but they have a propensity to bleed.
So now suddenly, we have to go to Broward Health North. When we got there, the staff was wonderful. Right away, the doctor came over, the nurses, positive energy, they were all talking to me positively. They walked me step by step through every process that was going on. That comfort gave me comfort, knowing that this hospital was going to take care of me. Not just from the doctors, but everybody.
Amazing. And I have my sanity.
When it was over and said and done, they brought me into the recovery room, and my hair was a mess. And so Dr. Gold was like, okay, I'll do my best. And he did like a little bow. Well, I was like, is that the best you can do? He's like, I'm not a beautician, I do surgeries. Dr. Gold, you saved my life. So I'll be celebrating my birthday 50 plus 1. So I had my 50 years, and he gave me my plus 1. Thank you to Broward Health. They saved my life.